We're at this place called Star Nursery, and we're trying to get our flagstones for the seating area. And we have all the selections right now. They're gonna pick out of the pile. And we're gonna have to measure per flagstone.
Okay, so we are gonna ditch the flagstone, guys. It's gonna be a lot of work. I don't have the right cutter for it right now. So what we're gonna do is go here at Lowe's. We're gonna buy pavers for the seating. So I'm gonna show you which pavers we're gonna get and try something different. After doing all the measuring and trying to find out which one matches best for our pond, we're gonna go with this light brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and stain it, do the water seal, so make it look a lot darker. We're gonna go $1.48. We're gonna need 31 of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the basket and take care of that. I was gonna get this one, kind of like this one. It's a little bit too red after we matched it with the tiles. So 31 of these light brown ones. This is a 13 by 20, more than enough, but always make sure you have more than enough because you don't want to be short. This is a 14.5 mil PVC. Doing a lot of research on this one, so this is pretty good. This is, I believe, is $99. Is that what the guy said, $99? Yeah, so this is $99. I'm gonna go with this pond liner right here. Lowe's is for a 650 gallon pond. My pond measures about 600 gallons, so this is more than enough. And we're gonna go ahead and buy some filter bags here for our filter. And we got the hose right there. So let's go ahead and gloss this up real quick. We're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like glossed up. I think it's gonna look good. Put some color, bring the color out on the brown and kind of match the tiles. We did the first coat. I don't know if it looks any different, but we're gonna do 2 to 3 coats to see what happens, but got plenty of it. So this is just the first coat. And once we do the second, third coat, then we're gonna go ahead and lay the pond liner down. So we are getting close, getting close. All right, so after back and forth of getting a pond liner, I was gonna go with rubber, but Star Nursery was costing too much. I don't think they calculated right, but they were charging me over $200. So went to Home Depot, got this one instead. It's pretty much the same as Lowe's, but great reviews on this one. I'm gonna put a tarp underneath first so it doesn't go straight to the pavers on the bottom. So tarp and then the pond liner. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up right now. We got the tarp in, first line of defense. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the pond liner. All right. We just laid out the pond liner on the grass. It's pretty huge. So what we have to do is cut 8 by 16. That's the measurements that we got for the pond. So hopefully everything fits correctly.
We should have enough.
We should have enough, plenty. We should have more than enough. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in.
We did the cut. Now transferred it.
Pond liner is in. We're gonna add water to sink it down. So once it's sinked down and all the gaps are filled, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and seal it all around the sides. Let's go ahead and add the water in. Almost halfway up, but we're not gonna let it go all the way up. I'm gonna step in, go ahead and start pressing the corners down since we have water weight. But look how amazing it looks already with the glare. This is gonna be nice. So check this out. I just finished the seating area. So this is pavers around the pond. The back side, I've still gotta play around with that because that's where the cord is gonna be. I am getting ready to put the waterfall in, most likely tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. So this is the seating area. Sorry, the part 3 took a little while, guys. Work schedule's been hectic and out of control. So this is part 3. Thanks for staying with me. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. But this is it right here. This is almost, I'm gonna say 90% done. Check it out.